Hi guys, good morning. मेरे को looks मत दे. Hi guys, it's our third day here in Gangtok, and today we are leaving for Nathula Pass. Nathula Pass is in Nathula Pass. it's a it's a mountain peak, and it's a 2-hour long journey from here where we are staying. And what are we going to see there?
We're gonna see the China border.
China border, yeah. Nathula Pass is a border between China
highest.
and India.
6 kilometers.
4.6 kilometers. It's on the altitude of 4.6 kilometer. Okay, so that's
Temperature there is a whopping minus 11 degrees.
right now. It's currently minus 11 degrees
By
Celsius
the
there.
time we reach, it will be like minus 6, minus 7.
We have all bundled up really nicely, and right now we are having our coffee and we're waiting for our breakfast to be served. And that's it.
And if you want to read my mind, just go.
We've left for an excursion, guys.
जैकेट नहीं पहने
Cigarette?
जैकेट
ऊपर का ठंडी होगा
जैकेट है ना यही, और अभी है वो सब स्कार्फ वगैरह. आज बर्फ नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं
बर्फ इधर क्या दिसंबर के बाद जनवरी में गिरता है क्या?
For going to Nathula Pass, we have to have this pass first. Like, we have to take the permit. We have to apply for it a day or two before, and then we get the pass, and then only you get the entry to Nathula Pass. Okay. Guys, we have almost reached 90% up here, and this is our view. Last night it has snowed properly, as you can see. There's snow all the way up there on the entire mountain range, and
How many times you lied before? Now I just see.
that's Sagmo Lake, and those are Curils. कितनी सारी आग से भाई. Sexy. My first snowfall it is. Oh my gosh! Look at it! Look at that! Guys, we are getting to exchange our cabs now. We're getting shifted into the bigger car. Stop falling! Stop falling!
Let's go.
Oh my gosh! Jogosh! Bye!
Or
The view is amazing, and the icy cold wind is even more amazing. Oh my god! Snowfall क्यों नहीं हो रहा इधर?
व्यू इधर कुछ नहीं है.
Can you just see the wind? Can you just see the intensity of the wind here? Oh my gosh! We are near death. We're near death. We're near death right now. Oh my god! Guys, you cannot You cannot believe.
This definitely is.
We
in
just
minus.
came back touching China's border, you know.
We didn't touch, but our hands
Like
are inside.
the fences.
Our hands are
And
inside China.
what was it? वो building क्या था? क्या
It was
abandoned
like Chinese,
abandoned military building. And सब कुछ उड़ रहा है इधर. Oh my God, मेरे clothes बार बार नीचे गिर जा रहे हैं. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cold. Unfortunately, there's no signal here, so we can't show you the real time temperature. And also, we weren't allowed to film. Like photography was strictly prohibited, so we didn't film anything for you.
Experience snowfall too. Not here.
I just ticked off one of my
Checklist.
checklist items. That was
और एक कर सकती थी.
witnessing snowfall, experiencing snowfall.
और एक checklist पूरा कर सकती थी. When we were in front of China border, just भाग के China पहुंच जाती.
फिर मुझे वहाँ पे
Captain
राय बचाने नहीं आता. From crash landing on you.
किसी को context नहीं मिलेगा.
यार कहाँ गाड़ी हमारा? मेरे को फोन नंबर भी नहीं लिया हमने. और कैब वाला भैया
दूसरा बंदूक.
वो गायब हो गए थे. And we kept looking for him.
डरा दिया था आपने.
And अभी हमारा कैब मिला है.
फिर ऊपर आए फिर
और हम बैठे हैं. अदरवाइज हमारा मोए हो गया होता. मोए.
आप भी बता देते कि हम
ये
लोग
भैया
इधर जाएंगे तो इधर ही
भैया हमने आपके लिए 3 चक्कर काटा. हमारा सांस फूल गया.
हो गया.
और
नहीं हमको पता नहीं ना. ज्यादा अंडर एस्टिमेट कर लिया भाई नाथुला पास को मैंने तो.
सीरियसली मैंने भी. मुझे नहीं पता था नाथुला would be this cold. Oh my God, it was scary cold. What are your reviews on Nathula Pass? Nathula Pass?
It's a test. 10 on 10 a test. Especially if you lose your cab driver.
Seriously. We weren't able to feel our fingers, seriously. Like,
Bro, you can't take your hand out.
bye Nathula! We are at...
ये बना रही
हाँ?
उधर.
Allowed है? I don't know.
है ना ऑलरेडी.
ये कूल है. सामू लेक सिक्किम.
लग रही है.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't talk. मेरे हाथ फ्रीज हो चुके हैं.
मेरा सर फ्रीज हो चुका है अभी.
मैंने अपने ग्लव्स निकाल लिए थे कार में ही. Fuck! So cold.
यहाँ भी ठंड हो गई थी. ज़्यादा ही मजा आ
Look
गया.
at my hands. Those are frostbitten. Literally.
अभी पुलिस भागा रहा है जल्दी करो. यहाँ में नहीं बैठना.
Come.
इधर लो यहाँ में.
Saga Lake, guys!
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
We're witnessing Saga Lake right now. I know you're not able to see, but just see. Try to locate it. Just try hard. You'd be able to locate it. Oh my God.
Bunch of yaks here.
It's snowfalling. उसका feeling गिर गया. और मेरे pom-poms जम चुके हैं. Look at those. Oh my gosh. बर्फ आ गया.
It's getting worse.
I'm done with all my snow experience.
हो गया. और करना है. स्नो चाहिए. स्नो.
अभी मेरे को मैगी खाने का. बस मैगी.
ड्राइवर का जिंदगी खत्म है ना सर.
हाँ ना यार कितना ही रिस्क है.
You cannot believe we've been stuck in the snow for past 2 hours. The snowstorm is going on and it's not stopping. It's just not stopping. There's snow everywhere, and one of the cars in front of us actually got skidded.
It flipped.
It flipped, and you can just imagine the condition. And there was like,
दादा का, चाचा का, सबका बदला लेगा तेरा snow.
bhai sahab, look, this is the condition right now. It's just snowing and snowing and snowing. I cannot tell you. Meet, ये हमारे ड्राइवर भैया हैं जो कि बहुत सेफली ड्राइव कर रहे हैं और हम दोनों इंसान इधर सेफ है. So kudos to him. Kudos.
हाँ, वो स्पीड में गया काफी. स्किड हुआ स्पीड में.
Look at it, guys. We have finally stepped out. Look, 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 look. ये हमारी कार है.
मेरे ग्लव्स ले.
Look. ले मेरे को रिकॉर्ड कर, मैं खेलूंगा. चल ले. अब देख, अब तो फंसी गए ना. Live in the moment, bro.
बहुत ज़्यादा live in the moment हो गया bro.
रुक, अब मैं बॉल उठा के कैमरा पे फेंकूंगा.
नहीं, मेरे पे क्यों फेंक रही तू?
We're literally stuck. We have stopped by this chotu sa place here, and people are just selling some eatable stuff here, like samosa, chow mein, chai stuff. So यहाँ पे रोक लिया हमको military camps वालों ने, and they're not letting us go any forward because बहुत snow है and everything is too scary. Crazy. It's about to get dark super soon and we're feeling super stuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. यार हमें क्या करेंगे अब? Can you just imagine the scary amount of shit we are going through right now?
यार तूने इतना manifest क्यों किया snow?
Like
We
मुझे नहीं
just
पता था.
experienced a snowstorm. I think the worst in like years, as per the people here. This time around, it's not that much snow,
मैं कितना
And-
खुश था.
and we're fucked.
मेरे को मैगी खाने का
Our
अभी, फिर मैं
trip was
सो
going
जाऊंगा.
95%. All right, great. The
And
5% is fucked.
हमारा फ्लाइट कैंसिल होने वाला है पक्का.
खर्चा हो जाएगा 10 हज़ार का. टिकट सस्ती भी नहीं मिलेगी, पता है? 10 हज़ार की मिलेगी.
Yeah, that's all the update we have right now.
बाद में
We're
बताते क्या
quite
होता है.
anxious. Quite. Bye.
Stuck.
देखो हमारे refreshments. This is all what we have right now to fill our tummies.
प्रॉब्लम ये भी है कि विजिबिलिटी इतना लो है, कम बहुत रिस्की है जाना.